Could this tiny camera be your next street photography weapon? Hey street shooters, today we're dissecting the Nikon Z30 to see if it's got what it takes to capture those raw, fleeting moments on the streets. First, let's talk size. The Z30 is incredibly compact and lightweight. A huge plus for staying discreet and moving quickly. Imagine slipping through crowds unnoticed, ready to grab that decisive moment without drawing attention. But a small size doesn't mean sacrificing image quality. The Z30 packs a 209 megapixel APS-C sensor. This gives you excellent detail and dynamic range, meaning you can recover highlights and shadows even in challenging lighting situations. Plus, the flip-out screen is great for shooting from creative angles, low or high, without straining your neck. Now, autofocus street photography demands fast and reliable AF. The Z30's autofocus system is decent for the price. It has good subject tracking, which is crucial for capturing moving subjects. However, it might struggle a bit in very low light or with extremely fast-moving subjects. So keep that in mind. Image quality is impressive for the price. In good lighting, images are sharp and detailed. You can definitely push the ISO a bit, but be mindful of noise as you go higher. It also shoots great video, something that is great for street photography. The Z30 gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Lens selection is key. Consider a versatile prime lens like a 35mm or 50mm equivalent for classic street photography compositions. The Z mount also means you can adapt vintage lenses for a unique look and feel. So, can the Nikon Z30 be used for street photography? Absolutely. Its compact size, good image quality, and adequate autofocus make it a solid choice, especially for beginners. But be aware of its limitations in challenging conditions. It's all about knowing your gear and adapting to the situation. Now, get out there and start capturing those candid moments.